Linking your bank account to Uber Freight is essential for receiving payments efficiently. Follow these simple steps to set up your bank account. Step 1. Open the Uber Freight app. Download and open the Uber Freight app on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign into your account. Log into your Uber Freight account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one by following the prompts in the app. Step 3. Navigate to payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm it. Save the changes to ensure your bank account is linked successfully. You may receive a confirmation notification once the process is complete. Now you are all set to receive payments through Uber Freight. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in the app for assistance.